So, just to finish and kind of seal everything that we've done, we are gonna get bridge position movement here going. And the key here, again, you have a few points of contact, which is gonna be your heels, your hands, and then your shoulder blades together back behind you. That's what we're gonna be thinking about. So very slowly, you're gonna be lifting your hips off the floor, starting with the lower part of your spinal column all the way up to your neck. That's good. And then slowly lowering yourself the reverse way. Good. So it's like a massage of your spine. And then as soon as you get to the floor, going up again, pressing the heels down, contracting the glutes and the abs. And now when you get to the top, hold for a second and see how long your body can be from the knee all the way to your shoulder. And then going down. Really good. And don't forget to let the mouth slightly open, the neck relax, the airflow freely and up. And again, once you get to the top, press your knees forward and your shoulders back, bringing your shoulder blades together behind you, really opening and extending your spine, and then coming down from the highest part all the way to the lower part of the body. And again, coming up and exhaling. Good, and hold. Make your body long and down. Good. We're gonna just do one more time just like that. Don't forget to continue the free breathing. Let the mouth open. Last time, pressing the heels down and up, and we'll hold right there. Knees forward, shoulders back, and then you can just come down slowly, and you can just relax at the very end. Good. And I'm gonna take this ball away from you. You can extend your arms, you can extend your legs, whatever you need to do right now. Great job. Thank your body for being strong and healthy and super good.